I have the M340 brakes, small brake kit for street, and I keep getting this noise, and it's, if you hear it here. When I hit the brake, it goes away, and I'm at a stop. You'll hear it. Yeah, and just so you can see, I mean, there's the brake pad. The spring, the retaining spring is tightened as tight as it can be. But look how much play is in this brake pad and the inner brake pad, the outer one. You know, these are caliper bolts, the washer and the lock nut. Same down here, washer, lock nut. It's well seated. I have two lug nuts on here, so rotor's pretty locked in place. But yeah, that's why I'm getting so much noise. And I don't know if you guys think that's is that normal, or is there something wrong with the caliper itself? Mind you, I did send these back for you guys to anodize. So I know that the pistons were disassembled and reassembled more than likely. So let me know what you guys think. Do it again.